It's beginning to look a lot like. I felt sick. I felt sick. I failed in the Vlogmas challenge. Apologies. But I can explain. I felt sick, guys. But that's not the reason that I could not post Vlogmas. I'm using my favorite tint. I'm obsessed with this. Just 3 dots and gives you that perfect bitten lips. It's the Etude Fixing Tint. Non-sponsored. So yesterday I was shooting for Declutter December, which was supposed to be our third video for Vlogmas. I already missed the third day, but on the fourth day I was shooting for this Declutter December, and I am so warm right now. So I was decluttering my backspace of this room, which was very messy and very dirty with a lot of dust. And bye. छींक छींक के मेरी हालत खराब हो गई. I'm all red. So yesterday I was cleaning the backspace of my room and I was decluttering, organizing everything, and I also got a very old almirah of our house which was like thrown away almost, but I got it in my room, and I had filmed it everything from A to Z, from jharu, pocha to everything, only to realize that I've lost all the footage.
Grieve different.
So what I usually do is after filming, I add all the clips in my editing software and then delete all the data from gallery and even from recently deleted. This time this trick betrayed me. I do this to, of course, to clear a bit storage, and every time this trick works, but yesterday it betrayed. It's showing this and I lost all the data. मैंने पूरा दिन लगा के जितना भी व्लॉग किया था A to Z, everything is gone. And hence, today is the last vlog of Vlogmas. Today is Christmas and I also felt sick. मुझे इतना गंदा जुकाम हो रखा है and मुझे साथ में बुखार भी हो गया because I have dust allergy and I almost forgot that. and मैंने मुंह पे मास्क भी नहीं लगाया था, उसी हालत में मैं झाड़ू पोछा सब कर रही थी. Does that mean I'm rotting in my bed? I'm putting nail polish in my bed. Because my nails are at the worst case scenario right now. It has never looked this ugly. I had ordered a... Ignore the mess. I had ordered a red sweater, a white scarf, and a few other jackets from Savannah, especially for Christmas. That red sweater. I'm planning to wear that red sweater only if it's in these packages. कैची नहीं है मेरे पास. Now I am 98% not sure that that red sweater is in this package. There is something red.
I grieve different.
It is a scarf. सब डिलीवर हो जाएगा, लेकिन तुम्हें जो चाहिए वो नहीं होगा डिलीवर. Now the thing is, I don't own a single sweater in red color. Every other year I've either worn white, tan color, brown, black, and every other color except red. And this year I really wanted to wear red. Savannah, you can't trust her. And the only burgundy leather jacket that I had is taken by Abhilasha, aka my younger sister. She has gone to a different city to enjoy Christmas with her friends. Life के असली मजे तो ये ले रही है. And she has left something for me. Her college sweater. This sweater you have seen in the Vlogmas 1. It's undoubtedly cute. Also, it's from Savannah. But I wanted to wear something different because I've already worn it in Vlogmas 1. बाद में देखेंगे. मैं नीचे गई थी नेल पॉलिश लाने. And then I got Savannah package. I got distracted. I opened all the packages and then I forgot where I kept the nail polish. Bless you. It's not Christmas anymore, it's Sigmas. I could not find the nail polish. However, I'm thinking to blow dry my hair. I wish I naturally had this kind of hair. तब मुझे इतनी मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती यार. कौन है वो जिसने दोबारा मुड़ के मुझे नहीं देखा? Who is he? Who is no one. I swear good hair gives you confidence. And God decided to take that one thing from me.
Grieve different.
Remember that one friend's birthday I had vlogged? Why am I looking like Butti? Guys, it's the tube light. It's not my grey hair. So I was saying that vlog 1 या फिर vlog 2 पे I had vlogged my friend's birthday. But I could not gift him anything because the product that I ordered for him वो मुझे आज deliver हुआ है. So let's gift wrap it together. मैंने दुकान के स्टाफ को भेजा था to get gift wrap papers and उन्होंने we got pink colors. So we are gift wrapping it ulta. This person is exactly like me. It always keeps sleeping. The nail polish, guys. तू लेकर बैठी थी, बताया क्यों नहीं? By the way, I got him 2 gifts. One for his birthday and one is like a small Christmas gift. He got idea about that one gift which was supposed to be his birthday gift. लेकिन उसको बिल्कुल पता चल गया कि वो क्या है because he saw a notification or something. So he knows about that one gift, but the other gift he has zero idea about. much cute. Oh, I have an idea. I got my markers. So I'm thinking to paint hearts. This is looking so cute. And the other one, I'm gonna write Merry Christmas. भाई it turned out. Oh, the glitter nail polish अब काम आएगा bro. This turned out 10 times cute than I anticipated. This is so cute. Now I'm going to wrap both of these in this one single wrap so that it looks like it's one gift. This isn't pretty. Everything is sorted except for my outfit. So from the last 3-4 years we are going to the same church that's in our city. So आज भी हम वही जा रहे हैं. My sister is going with my mother, so I'm going with my friend. Option number 1, this tank top, sweater, and this skirt. And for option number 2, this Savannah sweater that arrived today with the red scarf and jeans. पहन के देखना पड़ेगा, otherwise I will not know which one to wear. लेयरिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज पूरी दुनिया को शायद ठंड नहीं लग सकती है, लेकिन मुझे 45 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे भी ठंड लगेगी. आई एम वेरी इनडिसाइसिव, सो लेट्स गो एंड आस्क माई सिस्टर. गाइज आई हैव हैड पैरासीटामोल. मैं यूजुअली बुखार होने पे ना आई अवॉइड टेकिंग मेडिसिन, बट टुडे आई डोंट वांट टू ऑल द टाइम. ऑल्सो आई थॉट ऑफ नॉट डूइंग एनी मेकअप बिकॉज मुझे लगा था कि ऐसे नाक पोछ के पूरा मेकअप निकल ही जाएगा. बट देन आई सॉ माई सिस्टर गेटिंग रेडी एंड शी वॉज यूजिंग मेकअप और मुझे भी मन कर गया. आई टोल्ड यू आई एम ऑब्सेस्ड विथ दिस टिंट. दिस इज द लाइक परफेक्ट रेड. मुझे ऐसे एकदम चटक रेड कलर का लिपस्टिक भी पसंद नहीं है. For the first time, I am waiting for him to get ready. Otherwise क्या होता है, I am the one who is always late. लेकिन आज मुझे बहुत अच्छी तरह से व्लॉग करना था पूरा प्रॉपर, तो इसलिए व्लॉग के चक्कर में ना मैं जल्दी जल्दी रेडी भी हो गई. कोई गिफ्ट लेना भूल गई. birthday, boo boo. We have reached and the decor is so cute. Santa, Santa. Oi, Santa. Oi, Santa. क्या फायदा मेरे इतने सजने का जब फोटोज ही अच्छे ना आए। जी अगर पूरा लाइट लगा udah fast sih. This is our last stop. We have come to this cafe, Samiran Cafe. I didn't expect decor here. Christmas decor is there.